Right, this is the next project. It's a Derbi Senda 2011, believe it or not. This must be the worst one I've done. I can't believe this bike's 10-year-old. Somebody's fitted an AM6 engine to it and try to weld up brackets. Right, I'm going to strip this right down and I'll be getting shot blasted. So it's a bucket of shit. There's some good bits about it. Just try to think what. Right, that's one bit off. Right, we'll have a wee walk round. I've just moved it. So, let's see. I actually had a wee check of this. I noticed the petrol tank. I managed to get a second hand one off eBay. The petrol tank was rubbing on the exhaust, which is handy. Should be a good bike once it's done. For the big bore kit. The last owner bought as a project. It just gave up. I noticed as well this swing arm. Rotten. Never seen that before. Wait until you see this modification. Nice. Right. I've got a spare one of them anyway. That selector shaft. I've already taken the carburetor off. And I've got the plastics. Plastics are good. See the old bloody thing. I must be off my bloody heat. Look at that. I cut that off. And with a new bracket on. That's shocking. Honestly. So I'm going to try and film the whole lot of this. Fork strip down, wheel bearings, engine strip. Quite like that back tyre. I've got new chains and sprockets and wheel bearings. I've got a new battery. Somebody's converted it to an electric start. That's a new petrol tank I got off eBay. Just need a clean up. Right, that's me for look at the state of that. Jesus Christ. I'm not very sure if this is actually worth doing. It's not bad, it's red lining, it's not even running. And the bloody hell the indicators are off. What a bucket of shit. That didn't seem right at all.